Ever wonder what the tiny, adorable Geico babies in those old commercials might have munched on? Okay, alright, let's be honest. The Geico Gecko is a cartoon character, a mascot created for entertainment, right? We can't exactly apply real-world reptile biology to a fictional lizard. They're not exactly real, so what they eat is purely speculative. However, it's fun to imagine what their little baby bellies might need to stay full. The best educated guess, looking at real baby lizard habits, is probably insects and crickets based on the cartoon, too, so they probably enjoy it. These tiny reptiles tend to be insectivores, meaning their diet primarily consists of bugs. If you look closely, the Geico babies seem to be interested in bugs, not leafy greens. Think about it, what's small, protein-packed, and readily available in the wild? Yep, insects like crickets, mealworms, and maybe even little beetles would do the trick. I realize this isn't a definitive answer, but given the cartoon nature of the Geico Gecko, we can only speculate. So, while we don't know for absolutely certain what those super cute Geico baby lizards were eating, insects seem like the most plausible and probable answer. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick adventure. Don't forget to like the video, smash subscribe to get your daily dose of fun facts. Until the next video.